Sit. Mama. Mama. Mama, I'm finished. You are finished? What is finished? Mama, I'm finished, oh, I'm finished. Mama, I don't want, Mama. Mama, she go majite. She go ngopus na repus, Mama. Eh? Calm down. Nisi lajite. Eh? Isi ngopus. Ngopus and repus. Isi lajite. Eh? All that for one person? You don't understand, Mama. I embarrassed myself today. I'm so ashamed of myself. Mama, I'm so ashamed of myself. The worst is that it wasn't just my husband. Mama, his friends were here. Everybody, I'm sure. Calm down. Calm down. I'm sure that his friends that came here, the couple must be in the hospital right now. Mama, I know what I'm telling you now. What did you use in cooking the egusi? Mama, I'm telling you now. I'm telling you, I cooked the normal egusi soup now. What and what? I used the normal ingredients, Mama, to cook it. Mama, everything, and then I just garnished it with sugar. Eh? So that the taste can come up a bit. Hey! Sugar! Chimebukwemo. Sugar! Iji sugar si agusi. Mama, sugar. You used sugar in making egusi soup. Since when? Who taught you that? Eh? Irapulo girin sugar. Rapu akpenyo mo egbu. Walu sugar tiene egusi. I hope you've not killed my in-law for me. Maka, you know he has not done anything for me. I am still working on Legacy's Benz. Is it that bad? Hey! Mwame sikwenu o sikwenu gwopo sanrepuso. O sikwenu gwopo sanrepuso. O sikwenu gwopo sanrepuso. Mama, Obia. Obia. Ayo. Hi, Mama. Sugar, we're no sugar, shane, wusho. Hey! Are you there? Eh? Shushu? Are you there? Of course not. Hey! Mama, see when you did your butt. What's it when no Benz? Hello? What's it did your butt on no Benz? Hey! Look at what you made. Eh? What can you say? Hey!
You must repent. Be careful.
I'm yet to understand what happened today.
I don't know. Honey, I'm as confused as you are. This has never happened in this house before.
So what really happened? Did you see the embarrassment? What did you serve us?
Only egusi soup. The normal egusi soup you normally eat in this house. It's just that I think I added too much sugar. I mean...
What? You added what?
Not same sugar, no. I added sugar, but I think I added too much this time.
You added sugar? You put sugar?
Now so that the soup can pop. Gonna pop now. You know that the...
You added what sugar to egusi soup? Who does that?
That will make it easier. Sorry. Oh sorry. This boy told me to add 2 packets. And I added 3. Maybe I should have put 4. Maybe that's why he's purging them. I know that's stupid Polo. That stupid boy. Timo. Honey? I need to use the toilet.
And it come to pass. My name is Grace. I represent Grace. My name is Grace. I see your grace. My name is Grace. I represent Grace. My name is Grace. My name is Grace.
How are you?
I'm fine. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I was trying to get an opportunity to come out.
No, it's okay. I understand. You know, I was going to attend to a patient close by, so I decided to stop. I know how are you doing. So how are you? How is the work?
I'm fine. The work is going on well. Thank you so much.
You like the work?
Yes.
Hey.
My mother. We'll see when I come back.
Please don't stress yourself. Don't stress. Hey. Oh my God. So she's happy. She likes the work. Yes.
Whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful.
Someone in this house. Is it my fault that I don't know how to cook? You go and see all these men in their rich homes. They will carry chef, if not one, if not some even carry 3 chefs in their house to be cooking and taking care of everything. Walker, come and give me as if I'm a slave to the cooking. Not like he eats like a normal human being. He eats like a goat. And you still be looking for who to come and stay in the kitchen and cook burnt yam and burnt plantain and fried plantain for you. My dear, if you cannot get a chef, we will be managing the roadside canteen food that I have been buying. The day I have the strength to cook my body, I will cook it. If you want to poach, you poach. That is none of my business. Go outside and get a chef to come and cook for you. You did not marry me as a slave in this house. Oh, people. Yeah, wait. Hey!
Whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful.
My husband. Please, I am deeply sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you or make you feel bad. It wasn't my intention. Please. You know this cooking thing it's not really something I know how to do very well. That was why I pleaded with you to get a chef. But then you paid no attention to that. You know, I remember you told me that food is the only way to your heart. I didn't want to go below that. I just wanted to meet up to your expectation. That was why I had to start buying food from roadside canteen. Bring them home and made you believe I made the food myself. Husband, please, I'm begging you. I don't want to lose you. I will do anything to make this marriage work. Just get someone to be doing the cooking in the house. I swear, I promise you, I will pick up from there. Anything she makes, I will make it. I will even make it more. I just need someone in the house that can, you know, coach me a little bit and put me through. Please. Biko. Please. I'm begging you. Oh, Nam Biko, please. Mom. Am I forgiven? Please. Just this one thing I'm asking you of. Eh? I really need this maid. I want to be able to do everything for you. I promise I will learn anything. Ofe nsala, abacha na agwa. Anything I would learn. Because you know, please.
Say that again. On duty, same as mine, so we decided to come and pay you a visit.
Wow.
Hope you have a lot for us to eat.
Of course, you know I'm always equal to the task. Even though you naughty girl loves taking people unawares.
It's not my fault.
Really? It's okay. So tell me, what do I get you guys? Don't worry. Let me start with this beautiful angel. So, sweetheart, tell me. Tell me, what do you want?
What I will do.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just say pineapple juice.
Oh.
Will do you a whole lot good. Okay, I'll be right back. I promise this is going to be fun and beautiful. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
Such a happy soul. Always happy. So make yourself comfortable. Anything you want, okay? Anything you want. Oh my God.
Payback time is near. Payback time is near. When the wrath of God will come, you will face it. Be careful.
You have no problem, sir. I'll make sure I give you one of the best of my workers. Actually, here we groom them to be at their best. Anyway, anytime. And you're not a stranger here.
Right.
So I'll make sure I give you the best. But you must keep to your own side of
bargain, right?
Bargain. Yeah, you should, because the welfare and the security of our workers are our top priority.
That's fine. You sure don't have a problem.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So you hear from me, okay?
It's a deal then.
All right. Thank you.
Whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful. Challenge God's authority. No, 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 no. None can withstand the power of God. No, 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 no. None can say when God have not said, and it come to pass. Conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no.
So like I told you earlier, I promised the man that I was going to send him my best.
Thank you.
And you know you're one of my best hands here. Not only that you know your job, character-wise, and like I told you, there's accommodation there. So, hope you will not disappoint me. Finish up what you're doing. Then when you're done, we'll come back and we'll finish our discussion.
Thank you, man. All right, thank you.
Conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no. Una fuga na weza de funamba.
Good afternoon.
Now waiting.
Please, is this Mr. Tony's residence?
Yes, waiting happen.
Okay, my name is Grace. I'm from Madam's Bay Canteen. I'm a chef.
Chief. How you doing now?
Fine.
My organ will say you they come.
Yes.
Hello, get the gate.
Okay, ma.
Who's that?
Hey, madam. Na chief, oh.
What do you mean by chief?
Madam, you don't know chief. All those people where they cook plenty food for event now. Where they fry.
Hello, you mean chef?
Yes, na them.
Hey,
Yes.
is that here? Chef?
Yes,
I sent for a chef. Person here? Oh. Come. Let her in.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
You surprised?
I am surprised.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Come in.
Oh, darling, come in. Come right in.
My younger say make they go.
Huh?
My younger say make you they come.
Oh, it's okay, darling. Come. I know you haven't seen an edifice like this before, but it's fine. It's okay. Come in. It's okay, darling. You can come in. It's fine.
Shy.
Shy.
Mm-hmm.
Show something.
Hey, come.
Come on, darling. Come in.
Come. The dogs are caged.
Okay. You know what? I'll just go and get her.
All right.
It's fine. Come, darling. Come. Okay, so, darling, I want you to be really comfortable. This is my house, our house, of course, and my handsome husband. You're welcome here. Feel at home. I mean, feel free. Okay? Thing is, I'm going out right now, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay? Honey, I'll see you later.
All right.
Oh, she's so cute. All right, see you guys later. And please don't forget, make me something nice. Maybe like a fresh juice. That'll be fine. See you guys later.
Paul, shut the gate when she leaves. Hey, you come inside. Come.
Whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful. Vengeance is of God and you know it. The payback time is near. Payback time is near. When the wrath of God will come, you will face it. Be careful.
once again, you're very welcome. You see, I requested for the best chef from Madam B, and she promised to make me happy. So I want to believe you're one of the best she has. And I hope you impress me. You see, I like food a lot. I'm a foodie. My wife went to the village to see her mother, and she'll be back very soon. What's your name? Hello?
Sir?
What are you called?
My name?
Yes.
Oh. Gracious, sir. Gracious.
Gracious.
Yes.
That's a good name.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to believe you've been briefed about your salary at the end of the month and every other important thing you need to know. Have you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you'll be cooking for 5 persons. Myself, my wife, my 6-year-old son, and my gate man. And yourself, obviously. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
I'm fine, sir.
Alright then, I'll show you around the house.
Okay, sir.
Hello, ma.
What are you talking about?
Ma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma. I don't think I can do this.
You don't think you can do what?
Yes. I'm really sorry. I can't.
I don't understand you. Hello?
I'm really sorry, please.
What's happening? Something is wrong.
Wife material. Yeah. How are you? Mama, Shushu is not fine. Shushu is no longer the Shushu you used to know. Shushu is in trouble. Mama, there is fire on the mountain. Fire on the mountain? A big fire, Mama. A very big one. I said, Mom, this one you're not playing your tum tum boom boom. Mama, you know now.
You know, but right now, there's no time for do. Mama, we need to go inside and talk. There is trouble. Yes, sir. Listen. However it is, we must find a solution. Mama, I don't want to lose my husband. I don't want to lose my husband. I don't want to lose him for anything, nothing in this world, Mama. Mama, Biko, we need to do something. It's a lose. Eh, now lose. What did you just say? Mama, I said I don't want to lose my husband. Lose which husband? What? Wipe it off. Wipe what off, There's something on your lips. Wipe. What? Use this your hand. What? Mama, you are removing my lipstick. There's nothing on. There is something on your lips. Mama, I've cleaned it now. There's nothing on my lips. There is nothing on your lips. And you are using such word as lose. Lose which husband? Eh? Which husband are you talking about losing? When the primary reason I allowed him to marry you has not been achieved. Is it not my fellow women that their daughters are married to rich men that are driving big cars in this village? Yeah. How many cars has your husband bought for me? Not even up my bicycle. My bicycle. We are still living in the same house we lived in when I packaged you to him since 19 Porogodom. And you are talking about lose. All my fellow women in this village are living in the mansion. They are living in the mansion. Those that their daughters married rich men are receiving salaries from their son-in-law. All I get to hear from your husband is, don't worry, Mama. I will make it happen. When? You got marry and thanks for coming in. Or marry and give away. What can pay go ki zo na po? Na po. He cannot do anything. Sugar. Mama, I am beginning to see your husband as a stingy man. In fact, I am converting his name from husband material, 100 yards, to stingy material, 1,000 yards. Yeah, because Amari may give away. Mama, if we don't do what brought me to this village, or wait for conversion, you will not even see who to convert from 100 to 1,000. Mama, there is fire on the mountain, like I said earlier. I came to this village so that you can give me cooking lessons. Mama, serious cooking lessons. My husband categorically made it clear to me that food is the only way to his heart. I don't know if that man, if they tied him and food though, when his mom, in fact, I don't even understand his attachment to food. Already he has employed a cook in the house. That was based on my own pleading. But Mama, I need to learn how to cook varieties. Everything he needs to eat, I need to learn how to cook it. So that he won't have any reason not to do anything we ask him to do. So you see, it's better we start the cooking lesson so that you can see who to convert self from 100 to 1,000. If not, you will not see any husband. So, what you came for is a cooking lesson. Mama, cooking lesson 101. Fabric. If this is what will make this man buy me my dream car, no problem. You have to go inside and do yisisi. Because this is not the clothes to enter the kitchen with. Let's begin there. Cooking class on a work uniform? Yes. Cooking class and my uniform. Depending on the kitchen. You know where my kitchen is. I don't have gas. Do I? I don't have stove. You have to pierce the firewood. From there, you blow the fire. Huh? What I want to teach you is not apple tatunya magi. No. Ogiri. Crayfish. How to pound egg.
Oh, Mama, no. This is not all.
Mama, Biko. You want me to cut firewood?
I am the lecturer here.
So, cooking lesson 101. Department of Kitchen. faculty of food and not
It's a guinea.
singing.
This is God at work. Yes, God at work.
God at work?
Yes.
My husband is married to my sister, and you call that God at work? Of all the women in the world, why my sister? The same person that wanted me dead. And you call that God at work? Why would you even think of a thing like that? Maybe he was just waiting for me to die so he could have my sister.
No. Come on, sweetheart. My love. I know how you feel. Please, don't blame your husband. Even when I know you have every right to blame him. Remember, Grace, it was you who told me how you stood by your sister, supported her, and never allowed your husband to see her as the bad egg that she was. And still is. Yes, you said that to me, remember? You did. Grace, my love, I want you to always seek positivity in every situation. Yes. Remember, you've always wanted to see your son and your husband. And here they are, right at your doorstep. Yes. Thank God, nobody recognized you. Grace, listen to me. This is a time for you to creep in and find out everything that happened. Everything. Yes, that way you take over your home. It's a gradual process.
Auntie Gracious, Daddy said you are here to prepare us good meal so we'll stop having running stomach each time we eat. Tell me, Auntie Gracious, is it true? Would you prepare my favorite meal? Mom is not good at preparing that. Anytime we eat meal prepared by Mom, all will end up having running stomach. Even Daddy, his face will be like this. Tell me, Auntie Gracious, are you?
Listen, there couldn't have been better advice than the words you said to her. This is indeed God at work. But then, you need to be very careful with it. Yes, you need to be very, very careful because one wrong move can actually blow things away. Yeah, you need to guide her on this. Guide her carefully. Alright? I'll be traveling very soon. Like very soon. Say next week. But I promise to keep in touch. Okay?
It's alright.
Tell me. You'll be off duty tomorrow, I guess.
My dear, these days, I don't even know what the days is talking about again. When I'm free and when I'm not.
You'll be off duty tomorrow. Tell me, just say yes. Let me take you around. I want to spoil you. This hand out to me.
Yeah, you're right. I'm just very, very worried.
You don't need to be. Everything will be fine. Okay?
Okay.
Everything is going to be fine. Just time. Let me get you something. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, my darling.
So this is how you plug pumpkin leaf. You hold it and make sure you plug it from here. Sugar, you listening? Sugar!
Mama, my food, I'm seeing you now.
In a phone with comb and mirror. You don't bring comb and mirror into the kitchen. It's your come to Bani Ines.
Mama, just let me look fresh before we start cooking.
Excuse me? In my lecture room?
Mama, like a lecture room. I need to.
This is lecture 101. I told you, Department of Kitchen, Faculty of Food and Not. Forget that we are doing a physics. Take your time.
Mama, let me be looking at it from the.
Are you alright? Sugar, give me this mirror.
Hi.
Now, watch me. When you want to pound, you hold the person. Pounding it so that it will make noise. You know, so you can yes.
Well, yeah, stress. So this is stress. Mama, you don't have blender? Eh?
You said what? Don't let me use it for you.
Yeah. Mama, this is blender.
I am going to check the egusi. Make sure you pound this thing very well. Also the bumbo.
This is stress. Said you should come and teach me how to cook. I didn't say you should change my figure before I get back to my husband.
Yeah, pussy is forming, so please be quick. Be quick. You can't work when you know.
Yeah. Oh,
Sugar.
Mama,
what are you doing?
Mama, it's fake pepper. That's why it's bouncing from the mortar.
Fake pepper? And you're using your fake fingers to pound it.
Mama, it's not original.
My pepper is not original. And your finger is fake. Come on, give me that thing. What is your problem? Can't you calm down and learn?
I finished pounding the pepper.
You've not finished pounding anything.
I finished, but let's pound the salt now, Mama.
Hey!
It's so delicious.
Thank you. I know. Yeah. Come on, have some.
Hey. What's up? You good? Hey boy, what's up? You good?
Fine, Dad.
You okay?
Dad,
Yeah?
guess what?
What?
Auntie Precious made me a delicious meal.
Oh, really?
Just come taste it.
Oh, okay. Let me have a taste then. You sure?
Yes, it's good.
Nice.
I told you, Dad. Auntie Precious is the best in cooking.
I know, right?
Yes, Dad.
You're good. You like too much food though. Have you done your homework?
Me,
You're not sure?
But Dad, what you have done it?
No, I'm good.
Anything.
I'm alright.
Okay. Auntie, have a taste too.
Don't worry, just eat this for you, okay? Okay, Auntie.
Come here. Thanks, sis. Sit down. You see, I have watched you closely since you started working here. And I must say, you're doing very good. I see how you take up all the chores that don't fall within your job specification. That's very impressive, and I must commend you. And most importantly, I am also not blind to see that you're bonding with my son. You're becoming very close to him. That's very good. And I want you to know that I am not angry about that. As a matter of fact, I want you to do more. I want you to make him happy. Put a smile on his face, just as you have put a smile on my face. Make him happy, just as you have made me happy. Whether or not I'm around, I want you to do the best you can to be his friend, be close to him, bond with him. And honestly, I'll appreciate that. Are you okay with that? Are we good?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Peace.
Which one do you want? I did that. I want Coke. Coca-Cola. No. Coca-Cola. What? It's ended up on your hands? What happened? So you open it like this. So you open it. No, you open it.
Okay, let's see.
Master, mom head. Cross, spider jump. Spooky walk. Cross, spider jump. Spooky walk. The goes down. Not singing. It's a popular song.
Let's sing Vampire.
No, let's think of PJ Masks. PJ Masks is a great time to fight crime. I can't think of it right. PJ Masks and the PJ Masks. PJ Masks and the PJ Masks. PJ Masks. Oh, I don't know how to sing it, but it's in Vampirina.
Conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no.
Are you enjoying it?
If what? If what? Huh? It's that food.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked.
Jamal?
Mama,
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Of course I know you are eating. Who made the food you're eating?
Auntie Precious.
Jamal, what exactly is wrong with you? Why didn't you tell me that you were still hungry? I gave you something, food I took my time to prepare. You didn't finish it and here you are eating someone else's food.
That's because it tastes better.
Huh?
Mom, don't be angry with me. Because I am not the only one guilty of this. Dad also ate it. Have a taste.
Punish you then. Don't that fire you? Ha!